The day my alarm clock declared war on me. I knew the day was going to be weird when my alarm clock didn't just ring. It laughed. Not a normal laugh, not a cute giggle, a full on villain laugh. The kind that says, I have plans for you and they involve suffering. I slapped the clock. It laughed harder. Then it screamed, Snooze denied. I panicked. I had places to be, responsibilities, a reputation as someone who usually arrives places only 5 minutes late. I tried unplugging it. The alarm clock gasped dramatically and said, Wow, after everything we've been through? Suddenly, my phone joined in. Every notification I'd ignored for weeks showed up at once. Time to update your software. Reminder, drink water. On this day, 6 years ago, you were happier. Rude. I rolled out of bed, stepped on a Lego I don't even own, and immediately questioned all my life choices. In the bathroom, the mirror looked at me and said, So, we're trying today or nah? I brushed my teeth aggressively. The toothpaste fell into the sink like, I'm out. By the time I made it to the kitchen, my coffee machine blinked twice and shut down. It knew. I stared into the empty mug and whispered, I don't need you. The mug cracked under pressure. Finally, I left the house, confident, determined, ready. I locked the door and realized my keys were still inside. From somewhere deep in the apartment, my alarm clock laughed again. And that's when I knew the day hadn't started yet. It had just been warming up.